Hey everyone, welcome for today's video. I am Velma and for today guys, mag-unboxing tayo which is this one. Okay? So I have seen this one in my Instagram home which is, if you notice, you have also your advertised product sa inyong mga Instagram, right? Sa home talaga natin. So, I noticed this one advertised or sponsored by these cute animals, rainbow, and a lot more. And it has a lot of beauty products also that they advertise. Not just this one, guys. This is my new ironing tool, which is this one. You can create a great or a flawless curl or straight your hair in just a minute. And since Rainbow is all the time appear in my Instagram home ads and they advertise this one almost every day. So I read all the comments there and I noticed that most of the feedback are positive and there are also few negative feedback from this product, guys. And since most of the feedback are positive, I am curious and I click Rainbow so that I can place my order, and then when I click Rainbow, they bring me directly to the online shop which is named Viviqueen. And after I place my order 2 days, they sent me an email. They told me that this one is out of stock and please communicate with us in WhatsApp. So I add them in my WhatsApp and then we talk with the customer service and I have a good communication with them, guys, until they send to me this item. And they sent it to me just Monday, and then Thursday this item arrived, but I don't have time or I am not in my mood actually to film this one, guys. So now that I am in the mood, I say that I have to film this one and share to you my review about this ironing tool. And now, guys, we are going to test this one. We will see if this ironing tool is worth of the money, okay? But before getting in this video, please don't forget to hug me by clicking that subscription button, and then for you to get notification, ring that bell for my future upload. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. So guys, let's move on with this review and i-compare natin siya doon sa online shop na binilhan ko, doon sa picture mismo ng online shop na naka-display, guys. Compare dito sa pinadala nila sa akin, yung original talaga na ironing tool. It comes out na it has a big difference of these ironing tools, guys, and then the packaging itself talagang magkaiba, and I could say na mas elegante yung nasa picture compared dito sa pinadala nila sa akin. Okay? And the ironing tool, of course, it has a big difference, which is the power there is color white, and this one the same color with the ironing tool. Okay? So it has a big difference talaga. So medyo dismayado kasi hindi pareho yung nasa picture and then dito sa pinadala nila sa akin. And dito sa box, hindi nakalagay dito yung name ng product, guys, which is iba yung nakalagay, which is Roida and then the professional changing style. Hindi yung 2-in-1 Mi Star Iron Pro. Okay? So medyo hindi pareho yung sa picture and then this one. Sana ginawa na lang itong pink kahit hindi talaga parehong pink doon para lang may ma-differentiate yung bibili, guys. So to be honest here, guys, I don't want to assume na this one is made in China, and I could say also that this is imitation from the original Ironing Pro, which is named Time Iron Pro, and that one is made in USA and it will cost you $500, and that one is available in Amazon, and I don't know kung ano pang mga online shop na available yung Time Iron Pro. And this one is 2-in-1 Mi Star Iron Pro, which is of course imitation from the original, and this one cost me $39.98 including the shipping fee. So it has a big difference doon sa price ng original na Iron Pro, which is Time Iron Pro, and this one is 2-in-1 Mi Star Iron Pro. And I just want to clear this up na this is not an sponsored video of the products that I've been mentioned here. Hindi ito sponsor. I bought this one with my own money. And this is imitation and that one is original, okay? To be honest with you, okay? So now let's move on with this review, guys, and we are going to test this product kung talagang worth of the money, because it's around $40 here, guys. So I hope na yung $40 ko is worth of the money sa ironing tool na ito, guys, okay? Kasi pag titingnan mo yung mga video doon, parang oh, it's a very good ironing tool, madaling maka-curl and then flawless, and I hope na ganun din sa akin pag ini-review ko na ito, okay? Pag i-try ko na siya. So tinanggal lang natin yung product, guys, and it has here what is this? Travel universal adapter. So I have here a universal adapter, guys, which is this one is Europe, and you can use this one also. This one is really helpful kung saan kayo pupunta kasi universal nga siya. So we are going to close this one para maka-start na tayo sa ating test ng product na ito, guys. And bakit ayaw nang bumalik? Okay. And then push this one also. Pag ibalik nyo and i-lock nyo ulit. Okay, so this is the product, guys. This is the ironing tool, and lalagay ko lang sila dito sa baba para hindi ako mahirapan. Lagay ko lang sila dito sa baba, and this one is the ironing tool. As you could see, guys, it has here power, on and off, and it has here also 4 level of temperature by your choice. And nakalagay doon sa box na ano siya, 140 yung pinakababa, and then yung pinakataas is 200, which is 3 level of ano lang, 3 level of temperature, guys, dito sa box. Pero doon naman sa online shop na picture, ipapakita ko sa inyo, 4 yung kanyang temperature level, guys, which is the same with this ironing tool, okay? So itry natin siya para makita nyo, and we are going to test this one actually, and ganito. Then nilagay ko na siya dito, okay? So start to ano na, nag-light na, nag-work na yung ating electricity, and then as you could see here, guys, medyo iba yung kanyang style. Medyo this tool here is separated, parang nakabukaka talaga. Wala akong bang maisip. So ganun yung style niya, and use this one to curl your hair. Just push it like this para mag-flow siya, guys, and ganito yung itsura niya dito, okay? So we are going to turn on this power like this, but wala. Okay, so nakita nyo kaagad yung temperature na 140 dito sa temperature level natin, guys, and then it comes out immediately yung light ng power, which is blinking, and once this power is will stop blinking, it means na ready na yung ating ironing tool. Okay, so just like this one. And since I want to move this one to temperature 180, so I'm just going to push this soft like this. Okay, that one. So nag-transfer yung ating temperature sa 180. So we are going to wait again until this light here which keep on blinking to stop. And now it's ready. So let's start this one, guys, to curl my hair kasi straight na naman yung aking hair, mainit na nga siya. So we are going to start from here. Let's see if mag-work siya. And it's really different doon sa aking ironing tool na ginagamit, guys, which is my Remington, and that one is really very good. I hope this one is okay. So, paano ba nila ginawa yun? I think they are doing like this. Okay, so let's try this one. Like this, and just hold it soft. Oh, it's working very good, guys. Like this, and let's curl again this side. I hope marunong pa ako. Okay, so because you have to hold this one like a motorcycle. This I'm a little bit scared kasi medyo may word na it has here a word sounds, guys, and very rough sa hair. So pag mag-glide ka and you are going to close this one and start to twist like this, parang mag-stop siya because of this design here, guys. Parang magka buhol-buhol yung buhok at saka parang matatanggal yung buhok ko dito. So I just do like this again, try it until it will make me perfect. So now maganda naman yung kinalabasan niya, and you must study this one, guys, how to do it. Kasi pag mali yung hawak mo sa tool, mali din yung pag-curl mo, and it comes out, your hair is frizzy. Okay? Frizzy yung kinalabasan ng buhok mo dito. Like this, and hold this one softly, put it pababa yung pag ano mo ng tool, guys. So this is it. Okay naman yung pangatlo natin, and let's try this side also, guys. Okay, hindi ko siya tatapusin kasi ganyan lang siya. Okay, so let's try this side. Let's see if this one is really working very good. Pero if you know lang how to move your hands with this, guys, I think this one is really very good. Ang reklamo ko lang dito yung parang rough yung kanyang dating sa akin, and it has a little bit weird sound kung mag-ano kayo ng buhok, gamitin nyo siya. So okay naman siya. So let's move on with this. Like this again. I-ano lang natin siya ulit. Tapos see, parang may tatakot ako dito sa sounds na ito, sa pagka mahirap ibaba siya, guys. Okay, so okay naman yung kinalabasan niya dito, although it's not really perfect yung nagawa natin ngayon, pero okay naman siya. Okay, so I'm not satisfied with this, so gawa natin ulit ng paraan. Okay, so now it's mas maganda siya ngayon kaysa kanina. Okay. Now let's move on here, which is hindi ko rin lahatin, dito lang. hindi rin kasi ako mahilig magkulot guys, kasi kulot na ako, kaya mahilig akong mag-straight ng aking buhok. So, again, parang mali yung hawak ko ng tol. So, it must be like this. Okay. Like this, and then we are going to see, parang mahirap din minsan guys ibaba. Okay, so ganito yung kulot niya ngayon. So far okay naman yung pagkulot ko guys. Wala namang okay naman yung result ng kulot niya, but my only guys nito, yung parang ang wrap niya sa buhok, pag i-start mo na siyang twist, wrap yung dating, tapos meron siyang word na sounds na parang it looks like burn your hair but it's not, yung sound lang talaga, tapos yung wrap ang dating ng pag-glide mo sa buhok. Pero pag soft lang ang hawak mo sa kanya, hindi mo siya masyadong idiin na pa-close na ganito talaga, na you will give a force para madiin siya. Ang kinalalabasan, maging frizzy yung inyong buhok, instead na mag-curl siya, maging frizzy ang buhok nyo. Kaya pag gagamit kayo nito, parang nagda-drive kayo ng motor guys, and doing it like this, tapos and then pababa yung twist nyo until hilain nyo siyang pababa pa ganun. So okay, so para sa akin madali naman siyang, maganda naman yung result ng kulot niya. Yung pagkulot kasi niya guys, depende sa hawak nyo ng tol, kaya ganun ang mangyari. But it's okay. Doon naman sa issue ko na medyo wrap yung paghila ng buhok, nakuha ko yung technique guys na talagang hindi mo siya idiin yung pag-close ng product, ng ironing tool, okay? Para mas maganda yung hila, ng hindi magkaroon ng problema paghila mo sa inyong buhok, okay? So, let's try again here, maybe, so, like this. Pagbaliktad ang tool guys, pagbaliktad ang tool, mahirap siyang hilain. So, kailangan yung tool hindi baliktad, ganito yung hawak, tapos pasok mo lang siya, ganito. Itong design niya dito guys, kailangang nasa likod. Ito yung nasa harap, okay? So, let's try again here. Nasaan na yung buhok na inipit ko kanina? Okay, this one. Try again. Sana okay. So, see? Okay. So far okay naman siya guys. Okay yung hawak ko ng iron tool. Okay yung kinalabasan niya. So far, okay, let's try again here. Like this. Parang nahirapan ako sa likod ng dito sa buhok ko guys. So, let's try this one. Like a motorsiklo pa. Okay naman siya. Wala naman akong problema sa kulot niya. Actually, this iron tool guys, I could say that I don't like it, but I don't hate it, okay? So, nasa gitna ako. Pwede ko siyang gamitin, pwedeng hindi ko siya gamitin. Ganun lang ang but I could tell you na parang I am doubt na i-recommend ko sa inyo, but it's up to you if you want to try, if you want to buy. Kasi medyo, bakit doubt ako na i-recommend sa inyo? Kasi medyo complicated yung kanyang ironing tool. Kasi pag hindi ka masyadong, kung hindi magaling ang kamay mong magdala, hindi mo ma-achieve yung flawless na curl nito guys. And it comes out na maging frizzy ang inyong buhok. Kasi di ba napalpak tayo dito sa pangalawa, naging frizzy ang aking buhok din. Binalik ko siyang straight, tapos kinulot ko ulit siya. So, bumalik siya dyan sa pagka-flawless niya. Pero actually, maganda yung shiny yung kanyang effect sa kanyang kulot. And I like the way it really gives curl, guys. By the way, the plate is titanium and medyo pag hila mong ganun, parang mahirap hilain din siya kasi nga wrap yung dating dito. Pero ang alam ko, hindi ang plate ang naka-cause ng wrap, guys. Sana wala na lang ito. Kung ako sa kanila, hindi na lang nila nilagyan ng stuffer sa buhok. Kasi ito yung dahilan na mahirap talagang mag-glide sa buhok, guys. Ito yung dahilan ng guys, na parang stuffer siya pag hilain mo ng buhok. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, pag once na magkulot kayo and mag-straight kayo ng buhok, wag nyong i-close talaga ng pinaka-close na bigyan mo ng force ang yung mga kamay, slight lang siya. Gaya kaninang ginawa ko. Nang nagkulot ako, slight lang yung hawak ko sa kanya, ganun lang. Kita nyo may distance sa between ng ito, guys. Merong distansya, okay? So, ganun ang gagawin nyo pag magkulot kayo and mag-straight kayo ng buhok para walang sounds, walang word na sounds na maririnig nyo. Tapos, mas madaling ibaba, I mean, yung tol. Tapos, mag-slide yung buhok. Okay? So, this is all, guys. So, my review about this 2-in-1 ironing 2-in-1, I mean 2-in-1 Mi-Star Ironing Pro. Okay? Iron Pro, I mean. 2-in-1 Iron Pro. Okay? So, if you like this review, please don't forget to, as usual, leave me a thumbs up and share it to your friends. Kung hindi nyo pa ako na-hug by clicking that subscription button, so please hug me. And then, para makatanggap kayo ng notification bell, please don't forget to ring that bell also for my future upload. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us all. See you on my next vlog or see you on my next one. Bye-bye!